students, this is 1st of September 2020. Very good morning, Aldi, good morning. We are continuing the chapter 3, The Homecoming by Rabindranath Tagore. The next, उसमें आपने देखा कि उसके वहाँ उसके मामा आए हुए हैं. Both the brother were fighting and his maternal uncle came meanwhile and he was asking about them. उसी समय उसके मामा आ गए और वो पूछते हैं कि क्या हो रहा है. The next few days were full of rejoicing. अगले कुछ दिन बहुत आनंद भरे रहे. Rejoicing means happiness. Brother asked after education of two boys. तब भाई ने दोनों लड़कों की शिक्षा के बारे में पूछा. He was told by his sister, उनकी बहन ने उन्हें बताया, that fatigue was perpetual nuisance. कि फटीक एक चिढ़ाने वाला व्यक्ति, जो ऐसा व्यक्ति जो लगातार आपको परेशान करता है, नेवर एंडिंग एंड चेंजिंग एंड लास्टिंग, हमेशा जो है वो क्रिएटिंग इनकन्वीनियंस, हमेशा असुविधा क्रिएट करता है, ऐसा व्यक्ति है. एंड ही वॉज लेजी, वो बहुत ही आलसी है. डिसओबीडियंट, आज्ञाहीन है. वाइल्ड, जंगली है. बट माखन वॉज एज गुड एज गोल्ड, लेकिन माखन तो इतना अच्छा जैसे सोना. एज क्वाइट एज लैम्प, बहुत शांत है जैसे मेमना. एंड वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ रीडिंग, और पढ़ने का भी शौकीन है. बिसम्बर काइंडली ऑफर्ड टू टेक फटीक ऑफ हिज सिस्टर्स हैंड. बिसम्बर ने बड़ी विनम्रता से ऑफ़र किया कि वो फटीक को अपने साथ ले जाएगा. एंड एजुकेट हिम, और उसे शिक्षित करेगा. विद हिज ओन चिल्ड्रन, अपने बच्चों के साथ. इन कोलकाता में. एंड द विंडोड मदर रेडली अग्रीड, विडोड मदर रेडली अग्रीड, और वो विधवा माँ बड़ी आसानी से तैयार हो गई. When his uncle asked Fatick if he would like to go to Kolkata with him, जब उसके मामा ने पूछा कि क्या वो उनके साथ कोलकाता जाना चाहेगा, his joy knew no bounds. No bound मतलब कोई सीमा ना होना. Unlimited, no limit. तो उसके आनंद की कोई सीमा नहीं रही. And he said, oh yes uncle. उसने कहा हाँ. In way that made it quite clear that he meant. जिस तरीके से उसने ये बात कही, उससे क्लियर था कि वो क्या चाहता है. It was immense relief. बहुत ही ज़्यादा रिलीफ मिला. Immense means बहुत ज़्यादा, relief means सांत्वना. To the mother get rid of fatigue. उसकी माँ को अपने फटीक से छुटकारा पाकर बहुत सांत्वना मिली. He had prejudiced against the boys. She had, वो उस लड़के के खिलाफ कुछ प्रेजुडाइज्ड भी थी. प्रेजुडाइज्ड मीन्स पूर्वाग्रह बना लेना. एंड नो लव वॉज लॉस्ट बिटवीन द टू ब्रदर्स. इन दोनों भाइयों के बीच में खोने के लिए कोई प्रेम नहीं था. सी वॉज डेली फियर, वो हमेशा रोज़ डरती थी. दैट ही वुड आइदर ड्राउन माखन समडे, कि वो किसी दिन माखन को डुबा देगा. ड्राउन मीन्स डुबो देना. एंड इन द रिवर, नदी में. सिंक, ड्राउन मीन्स सिंक. और ब्रेक हिज हेड इन फाइट, या झगड़े में उसका सर फोड़ देगा. और रन हिम इनटू सम डेंजर, या उसे किसी खतरे में डाल देगा. और अदर, या दूसरे तरीके से. एट सेम टाइम शी वॉज समवट डिस्ट्रेस्ड, लेकिन उस समय वो थोड़ी डिस्ट्रेस भी थी, परेशान भी थी. ट्रबल्ड टू सी फटीक्स एक्सट्रीम ईगरनेस टू गो अवे. फटीक की इतनी ज़्यादा उत्सुकता देख करके वो बहुत परेशान भी थी. जाने के लिए फटीक इतना उत्सुक था, इस चीज़ को लेकर परेशान थी. फटीक एज सुन एज वेल ऑल वॉज सेटल्ड. फटीक ने सोचा कि जल्दी ये सब कुछ सेटल हो जाएगा. एंड केप्ट आस्किंग अंकल, हमेशा अपने अंकल से पूछता था. एवरी मिनट, हर क्षण. when they were to start, उन्हें कब शुरू करनी है अपनी यात्रा. ही वॉज ऑन पिंस एंड निडल्स. पिंस एंड निडल्स एक प्रोवर्ब है, इसका मतलब बेचैनी. वो बहुत बेचैन था. ही वॉज वेरी मच डिस्टर्ब्ड. ऑल डे लॉन्ग विद एक्साइटमेंट, पूरे दिन उसके अंदर उत्सुकता रहती थी. एंड ले अवेक मोस्ट ऑफ नाइट, और पूरी रात लगभग जागता रहता था. ही बिक्वेटेड टू माखन. बिक्वेटेड मीन्स ही बिक्वेटेड टू माखन, उसने माखन को सब कुछ सौंप दिया. बिक्वेटेड मीन्स सौंप देना. in perpetuity. Perpetuity means forever, हमेशा के लिए जो भी उसके पास था उसने माखन को दे दिया. जैसे his fishing rod, big kite, marbles. एक बड़ी सी फिशिंग रॉड, बड़ी सी पतंग और जितने भी मार्वल्स थे हमेशा के लिए माखन को दे दिया. इंडीड एट दिस टाइम, टाइम ऑफ डिपार्चर, अब इस डिपार्चर के समय में हिज जेनरोसिटी टूवर्ड्स माखन वॉज अनबाउंडेड. जेनरोसिटी मीन्स उदारता, काइंडनेस, चैरिटी, मर्सी. अब उसकी जो उदारता थी माखन के लिए अनबाउंडेड थी. अनबाउंडेड मीन्स असीमित, अनलिमिटेड. अब वो बहुत उदार हो गया था माखन के लिए. Now they see its explanation. In next few days were full of rejoicing. When his maternal uncle came in the house, he created an atmosphere of happiness in the house. They were very happy. And the brother asked after education of two boys. And his uncle asked what was going with their education. He was told by his sister that fatigue was perpetual nuisance. Then his mother told him that fatigue is creating problem all times. He is very disturbing element. He is very inconvenient boy. He was lazy. He was idle. He is not following any obedience of his mother and is behaving like wild animals. The Makhan was as good as gold. But she has appreciated Makhan. She said that she was very good like gold and she was very quiet like he was very quiet like lamb, and he is fond of reading. He is good in reading also, in studies also. Visambar kindly offered to take fatigue of a sister's hand. Then his brother has given offer to take out fatigue with him, and he will give education uh, to him with his own children in Kolkata. And she was widow. She was very happy to hear it, and she agreed very easily to his brother that Fatick will go with him. And when his uncle asked Fatick, he would go to Kolkata with him. And when his maternal uncle asked Fatick that he wanted to go with him Kolkata, then he was very easily ready to go with him. He was very happy. His happiness has no limit. It was unlimited. And he said that, oh yes, he was ready. And in this way he made quite clear that what he meant. In this way it was very clear that he is ready to go to Kolkata with his uncle, and he was very happy to hear it. Now it was immense relief to mother get rid of fatigue. His mother was also very happy that he was getting rid of. Get rid means chutkara pana, gave up of fatigue, because fatigue was creating problem always in her life. He was very naughty, mischievous, and she had prejudiced against the boys. She has a kind of prejudice also. She has a wrong opinion against the boy. And no love was lost between the two brothers. There was no love between two brothers, and they were departed. They were going to depart, and there was no love between them. She was daily in fear that he would either drown Makhan someday. She was always afraid of that he would sink Makhan someday in the river, or he would break his head in the fight, and otherwise he will create some other kind of danger in his life. In this way, he was always afraid of fatigue, because fatigue was very mischievous. At the same time, she was somewhat distressed, but when she saw that fatigue was very easily ready to go, she became troubled. This has given trouble to her, because fatigue was very mischievous, and fatigue was very happy to go to Kolkata with his maternal uncle. This is creating a kind of problem, anxiety, worry to her mother also. Fatigue, as soon as all was settled, Fatigue was thinking that everything will be right with the passage of time, and kept asking uncle every time. He was always asking to his uncle every time, every minute, every moment, when they were going to start, when they will go to Kolkata. He was very happy, he was very eager, he was very excited to go to Kolkata. All day long excited. He was very happy whole day. And he could not sleep in the night. He bequeathed to Makhan. he has given everything to the Makhan what he had. And perpetuity means he had given everything to Makhan forever and ever. हमेशा हमेशा के लिए दे दिया. Just as his fishing rod, he had a kite, he has marbles, everything he had given to Makhan. And when they are going to depart, और जब वो लोग अलग होने जा रहे थे, then he become very kind, merciful to Makhan. His kindness has no limit. It was unlimited for Makhan. In this way, they were departed. His mother was troubled, and she was happy also, but troubled. Why? He was so easily ready to go. But she was happy that he was going to educate with his uncle. Now that's all for today, and we will continue next paragraph in next video. Thank you.